Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is theandriamichele and I am back with another video. Today's video is just an everyday makeup look that I do on a regular basis. If you are new here, subscribe, like this video, and watch all my previous videos because they are lit. I already primed my eyelids and I already did my brows. I used my NYX Tame Frame. I also used my Pro Conceal and I used my Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. Now I'm about to start on my eyelids and I use the Masquerade Mini by Julia. And I just got this probably like 2-3 weeks ago and I absolutely love it. It's kind of a mess, but I haven't used all of the colors yet. Look at that. I'm really not about to use any bright colors. Of course, this is everyday. I don't do my face like dramatic all the time, every day. So I'm really actually starting to get back into makeup. I really stopped for a while because it was just a lot for me because college, who am I trying to impress? Absolutely no one. So, but now I have to get back into it because I have a lot of cool videos and a lot of new things that I really want to try to show you guys. But let's just start because I'm talking too much. I'm gonna go in with Zulu and I'm gonna go in and I'm about to just do the entire, well, it's like a transition, but I mean, I really just do this entire color over my eyelid. I'm gonna prime my face. I use the NYX First Base Primer. I honestly need to just start buying more makeup. I don't understand why. I forgot to like put this on my face because I was supposed to put this on my face before everything else. Next, I'm going to use my MAC Pro Longwear Liquid Foundation in the color NC50 because that's how chocolate I am. And this is my favorite foundation, as you guys know, because this is pretty much probably the only foundation I've ever had on this channel. I use a beauty blender sometimes. Sometimes I use a brush, but today it's gonna be this because that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to use my LA Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to squeeze it out and, place it under here. I probably do not have to use all of this, but don't care. After that, I'm going to take my Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the banana, and I'm going to take my other beauty blender, put it right under my eyes and on my forehead and my nose. So it won't move because okay, after I splatter that all on my face, like I really don't care how it look. I go in with my contour palette, NYX as well, you know. Okay, after I do that, I always go back in with my powder. You might think this is too much, but I go in with my powder and I go over it. Because I don't want that dark, harsh line. Now while that's baking, I'm going to just go ahead and put on my eyelashes. This is ALLURE 3D Tapered Natural Lash and Premium 100% Silk Lash. These, what they look like. Wow. This is what they look like, and they're really pretty. Now I'm about to dust this off. I used Black Radiance. You can't see it anymore, but Black Radiance Soft Focus in Milk Chocolate. And I dusted off with this. And I always finish with my MAC finishing powder. And this one is in Dark Deep Mineralized Skin Finish. I just started doing this and I don't have a blush, but sometimes I just go inside of my eyeshadow palette and I pick out a nice color to use as a blush. And for this, I'm just going to use the color that I used on my eyelids. And just got a makeup brush, so, well, I said a makeup brush. I just got makeup brushes. So I'm just gonna go back in with Zulu and Lord, I don't want to overdo this, but I'm just gonna go like right there on the cheeks. I need more makeup, okay? I also just used a color out of here, which I'm going to use Casablanca for my highlight. I'm gonna use Casablanca as my highlight. And I always get this part because this is like the button of my nose. And then I go down the bridge. So now I'm just gonna go in with my lips. I use the MAC lip liner in Chestnut. Okay, I'm gonna use my MAC totally cannot see Creme de Nude, this color, and I'm just gonna go right in. And that is pretty much it for today. And I'm just gonna spray out with my NYX matte finish. It's pretty much all that I have for you guys today. Stay tuned for my next video. Then I'll talk to you guys later.